a chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good. I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maia, Chef Maia. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire. Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Fire. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good. And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are making cheesy smothered mushroom chicken. So this is kind of a Thanksgiving video, but it is not the Thanksgiving special, which will premiere on the fourth Thursday of November, which is Thanksgiving itself. So this premiere, we're hoping that it will work because the Halloween one did not work, so I just uploaded it as a regular video, but we're gonna try and make this a premiere. So today, like I said, we're making kind of a Thanksgiving dish, so let's get cooking. Just a reminder, this is another HelloFresh video. We're using this recipe from HelloFresh. HelloFresh has not sponsored me yet, but we are gonna try because I love making HelloFresh's recipes. So if someone from HelloFresh is watching this, please sponsor me because you guys are the best. I mean, yeah. So let's actually get cooking. Hey guys, we are back. So our first step that we want to do is go ahead and gather all your ingredients. So we will be needing 6 Yukon Gold potatoes and some Monterey Jack cheese and 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 carrots. We are gonna need 2 chicken breasts and some chicken stock. I'm not sure if they actually sell these at stores, but if you can find any substitutes, probably a substitute can be chicken stock concentrate, or if they have chicken stock concentrate, then they should have chicken stock. So try and find it in stores. If you don't find it, maybe use chicken stock concentrate. I'm not so sure, but just find a substitute for it, and yeah. And we will also be needing some scallions. So I got 2 scallions right here. And we're gonna need some mushrooms. So those mushrooms that you just find at the store is in packs. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mushrooms in this. So you'll be needing about 8 mushrooms. So let's go on to the second step. So our second step that we want to do, guys, is wash all of our produce and dry them. So our produce, if you don't know what that means, it means like fruits, vegetables, things that can really be washed. That would be the potatoes, the carrots, and the mushrooms and scallions. Those are all the produce. Of course, you can't wash chicken stock, Monterey Jack cheese, or sour cream. You can't wash those because that's not possible. So just don't try that though, because it won't work. But yeah, so let's actually get cutting and cooking. Oh, and you also want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. That's a whole different thing, Fahrenheit. And so let's start with the potatoes, shall we? Let me get a knife. I don't know why I didn't prep that before. Okay, guys, so I got my knife now. We're gonna start cutting these potatoes. So we wanna cut the potatoes like, I would probably say, just dice them up because we're gonna need them for the mashed potatoes. So just dice your potatoes like this. Whoa, okay. So just dice them up, and I will see you guys right after we dice the potatoes. so I finished dicing up all of my potatoes. So we are gonna go on with the mushrooms now. And so what you wanna do with the mushrooms, you just wanna carefully slice them thinly. So I'll show you an example. Okay guys, so once you got your mushrooms all washed, this is an example of a mushroom, of course, because yeah. But you want to thinly slice them, and so they look like this. Okay guys, next what we want to do is get your scallions. If your scallions are wilting a little bit, just cut that part off. Mine are not because we just got these, I think. But yeah, we just want good scallions. So you want to go ahead and pretty much cut this end off right here. We do not want those hairs. Then you just want to thinly slice it and do that for the whole thing. So I'll see you guys next. And also a trick for cutting scallions, you can bunch them up together and just cut, and it's just easier. Okay guys, so once you got your scallions done, your potatoes done, and your mushrooms done, you want to go ahead and get your 3 carrots, trim, peel, and then cut. So let me just go up there for a second. As you see, these carrots are trimmed at the bottom and the top, and then I peeled them with a peeler. And make sure you don't try not to peel your finger, because that's not good. And you can go ahead and throw away the peels and the trims, and because we do not need them for this recipe. So go ahead and cut them sideways, kind of. So like, cut them like this. Let me go. Cut them like this, and I will see you guys once I finish all the carrots. Okay, everyone. So we have finished cutting our carrots. And so you want to get a small pan with foil and lay your carrots on there. Then go ahead and get some olive oil and just drizzle it on that, because we're gonna roast them. And then you want to get some salt everywhere. Salt is good, yummy. And then you want to go ahead and get some pepper. So there's pepper. And boom, we are done. And also, you want to go ahead and put your potatoes in a small pot or a medium pot, and then go ahead and put salt water in there. So that's literally just salt and water. And then that will soak the potatoes and make them taste delicious in the mashed potatoes. So just like separate your carrots, and then after that, you want to go ahead and roast them in the oven, which is at 425 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And then you want to put them in for 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and roasty toasty. Well, not really roasty toasty, but you know. And yeah, that's what you want to do. But also, while we wait for the carrots to be done roasting, we want to go ahead and, like I said, the potatoes in the pot, we want to put it at a boil so that's high, and then it will like soak up. So you want to put it, bring to a boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So, oh, actually, no, you want to put okay, I read the directions wrong. You want to put the carrots in for 25 to 30 minutes. I know it's like a long time for carrots, but if you want to put it in less, because sometimes when I take the carrots out after 25 to 30 minutes, it's like literally burnt. So you might want to do 15 to 20 minutes, like I said before. But yeah, so that's just a little quick update. Okay guys, so while we wait, we want to go ahead and get a large pan and put our mushrooms, scallion whites, and a drizzle of oil in there. and salt and pepper. Then go ahead and put that on medium-high heat. And don't worry, we will be making the chicken soon. Mine just has to defrost. Alright, so we got the mushrooms on medium-high heat. So just cook that until it's softened for about 2 to 4 minutes, I guess. And we will be back. Okay guys, welcome back. So you want to, once they are all softened, you want to go ahead and put 1/4 cup of water, and the chicken stock concentrate will need exactly one tablespoon of chicken stock concentrate. So you want to go ahead and want to put this on high now and boil it, and you want to go ahead and get a top for your pan. Now guys, I found the top for my pan, so we're just gonna put that there and let it boil. Then we're gonna go ahead, actually no, wait. So we're just gonna let this get boiled, and then put it on and bring it to low and make sure it simmers. And then we're just gonna let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes so it kind of gets thickened up. And then we're gonna go on with the next step. And your potatoes should be done by now. Mine are all good and soft. They look soft also, so that's how you can also tell. You can tell if they're softer because the skin is lighter or the inside is lighter, and it looks soft to your eyes. So, yeah, we'll just let that simmer. And also, your carrots should be done by now. I didn't put mine in yet, so I will do that right now. Okay, so it's been about 1 to 2 minutes, and so we're gonna turn off the heat and then take off the lid. Put it down for a second. Then you should see that it's nice and thick now. You might not be able to see like the water and the stock concentrate. But that's because it's soaked into the mushrooms now, so it's gonna taste delicious. So next what you want to do is get a tablespoon of butter, and gonna put in 1 pack of sour cream. So if you have like wait, let me check. If you have 2 tablespoons of sour cream, just put it in here. So, go ahead and put in the sour cream. Wow. And this is for the sauce. So, just next, what we want to do is go ahead and put in the tablespoon of butter, of course. So I got a tablespoon of butter right here. It should melt on its own, as you see right here. You can't really see it, but like, should melt on its own. And start mixing it in, and it should turn into a sauce. And trust me, this tastes really good. I've tried it before. My mushrooms look nice and good with the sauce. So, yeah, you just want to put that on the side. Or actually, put that in a small container and then we'll go. Potatoes, drain them and put them over low heat and get 1 tablespoon of butter and plop it in there real quick. Boom. And let it melt. Then you want to go ahead and put the other 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Ooh, I just dropped it. Okay. Put that in there. And you can put more salt in if you want. No, mashed potatoes are only good with salt. That's the truth. Alright, so market side, it's actually 5:30 here. It's crazy, yep. But yeah, go ahead and try and mix the potatoes in. The sour cream and the butter, it should look like this. Then we're gonna go ahead and get a big fork or a potato smasher. We do not have a potato smasher, so we're gonna use a big fork. But yeah. Now, when I say big fork, I mean this big of a fork. Yes. This is compared to my hand, so yeah. So you want to just try and start smashing the potatoes. If your potatoes are not that squishy right now, you can go ahead and still put them in water and salt for a longer time. But make sure you do this before you put the sour cream and the butter in, because there's really no turning back, because if you put water and salt in with the sour cream and the butter, then it will just turn into a mess. So just want to make sure your potatoes are soft and start mashing. So I'll see you guys once my potatoes are done. So welcome back. I got my chicken defrosted. So you want to go ahead and put it on the same pan that you used for the mushrooms, and put oil, salt, and pepper on it, and cook until it's all nice and brown and ready to be eaten. Make sure it's not raw, because you do not want to eat raw meat. So I'll see you guys once we're done with the whole dish. Hey guys, so I finished my chicken din din right here. So if you're wondering what the Monterey Jack cheese is for, you just, and the green scallions, you just sprinkle it on top, a little garnish, and sprinkle some Monterey Jack cheese, and we'll go ahead and start trying this delicious looking thing. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my dinner right here. Perfect timing because it's like 7 o'clock right now. So let's first try the mashed potatoes right here. Now it looks really good. So let's go ahead. It's good. Really good. Maybe a little less salt on the mushrooms, but the mashed potatoes by itself is really good. Now, I already know what the carrots taste like. They taste like carrots. And the chicken tastes like regular chicken, but we're just going to try some for the video. That's really good. Chicken is nice and yummy and delicious. I'm going to have to eat this all. Okay. So, I'll call you guys, not call you guys back. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Everything's good.
See you next time.
Yeah.